I'm really excited about this update that came through from Kartra, and it's really going to make a noticeable difference in your conversion rates. So what they've done is they have updated forms to add a honeypot field. And what a honeypot field does is basically it's invisible to people, but a bot that is seeing your form online and attacking it can see it. And so they fill it out thinking that it's a form that they need to fill out in order to submit. So as soon as Kartra sees that that form has been filled out, it knows that that's a bot and it won't let that submission through. The reason why this is going to increase your conversions is because up until now, if we've been hit by a spam bot and trying to protect our form to put a stop to it, or we've been preventing the spam bots from ever finding our forms, we've had to use CAPTCHA. And CAPTCHA, as you know, is visible to the real people who are trying to fill out your form as well. And some people just hate doing them. So here's what you need to do if you haven't had a CAPTCHA on your forms. You don't need to do anything. The update is already live. But if you have CAPTCHA on your forms like I do, it's time to take that off. So you can see on my landing page here, I have CAPTCHA, retype the code there on this form. And now we're going to edit to take that off. So inside Kartra, we're going to go to Contacts and then Forms. You're then going to navigate to the form that you want to update. Click on the name, or you can click on the pencil to go straight into the fields. If you come this way, click on Customize, and then we're going to get in here. On the left-hand side, we'll click on Fields and just delete out that CAPTCHA and then save and exit. Then when we refresh this page, now no more CAPTCHA. So I'm going to update all of my forms that had the CAPTCHA on it. If you're not sure, you can either visit the page and check out the form. So this is my exit pop form that also has it that I need to take off. So one way to check to see if you have CAPTCHA on your form is to check on the front facing page. The other way is just to come into your form and go to Customize and then Fields. So let's find that exit pop and edit this one as well. So here I'm going to click on Fields on the left-hand side and delete that CAPTCHA. Save and exit. There we go. All right, so that's really it. That's all you need to do to update your forms. If you haven't used CAPTCHA at all, you will just benefit from the upgraded protection. And lucky you to have not been hit by a spam bot before, but now you don't have to worry about it. I'm so excited, and you should see noticeable results in the forms that you remove the CAPTCHA from. Your opt-in rate should go up. I'm Danielle Doucette, the Kartra Coach. For more tips like this, be sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification button. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.